Bright Green is the leader in living wall technology. This video is put together to help you transform any space into a living work of art. After the living wall has been designed with the right plants for the right space, the panels are pre-grown and delivered to the site, ready to be installed. This is an interior project, and a small catch basin has been built to divert the excess water to go outside. Before the panels go on the wall, we must find the locations of the studs and anchor to it. With a stud finder, mark their location. On most of the living wall installations, we suggest a layer of waterproofing. This can also be purchased at Home Depot and is easy to install and inexpensive. Next step is to install the mounting strips, which is where the living wall panels will hang. After you find the location of the first panel at the bottom, you can install the first mounting strip. Always start at the bottom of the wall. To ensure the irrigation will work properly, make sure the mounting strips are level. Once the first one is attached, you can measure 20 1/8 inch on center for the rest of the rows above. The fun part can now begin. Install the pre-grown living wall panels starting at the bottom, in the order as numbered from the grower so that the plant design comes together. The bright green panels have been designed around a drip system. At the top of the panel is a water reservoir. There is a notch in the panel which the drip line can snap into. As part of the bright green panel design, all the water will flow from panel to panel and end up in the drainage trough below. After all the pre-grown panels are installed, the 1/2 inch vertical supply line can be put in. Make sure the end cap is installed. Connect to the water source and bring all the way to the top of the wall on either side. Secure the supply line against the wall to keep in place. Next, attach the connectors to the end of the drip line. Then pop holes in the supply line and connect together. You now have a living wall. To make sure your living wall survives, proper irrigation and maintenance is critical. To figure out the irrigation, start by setting the amount of time the water will be on. Turn on the valve and start the timer to see how long it takes for the water to start dripping out the bottom of the lowest panel. This is the amount of time at each interval. The patented bright green living wall technology is based off of a low-flow water delivery system at 1/2 gallon per hour. When maintaining the wall, find out when the soil starts to become dry. This will determine the intervals of the irrigation system. In general, the bright green living wall system will need to be watered 20 to 30 minutes, once a week or every 2 weeks.